Welcome back everyone, it's Chris here. Today I'm in my GU patrol. Thought I'd fix up just a little bits and pieces here. So really what we're doing today is the seatbelt's all, seatbelt's all real frayed, and yeah, it's seen some better days. It's not legal either, it gets caught up there, but yeah, it still retracts and everything, it's just not well. So I went out and got a second-hand one here. So just going to show you what's involved with putting in the new one. This one's not frayed and it should work. So pretty much just got to pull these trims off here. Yeah, it looks like gonna have to get something in there and pry that, and there'll be a bolt behind there that'll come out, and then probably have to pull these seals out. It's one on both sides, so yeah, open the door, pull that out, and I think this trim here should just pop off. I think there's clips behind there, so yeah, you just pull it and it should come off, and then that will give us access to the bolts and everything behind there. And sorry, I'm terrible at filming, it's been a little while. I dare say this should just pop off. Yeah, we'll get to that in a second, but yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling some of this off. Alright guys, so turns out it's gonna be a bit easier than I thought. So yeah, you've just gotta pull this tab off and that comes out. That gives you access to this bolt. So we just get your 14mm, bang that off. That'll just chill there. Oh, get off of there. And then there's also one down here, another 14mm. Just pull that. That gets that out. Yeah, make sure you don't lose all these washers and everything. They're usually locked in there with the little, I don't know if you can see in there maybe. Come on, focus. I'll show you when I pull it off. And now we're just gotta go behind here. Oh. Oh, I'll probably have to pull these trims up by the looks of it. I'll do that. I'll do that in a sec. Hold up. Alright, yeah, so I just pulled up the trims on both sides. It's easy to get into the back seat. It's a bit more room and it folds forward. Sorry, it's real bad lighting right here. It's a bit sunny today. That just comes away. Throw that out of the way. And then there's just two 10mm bolts there. And there's probably another, something down here. Oh, another 10 bolt behind there. And that whole system should come out. So we just change this over to a 10. Bang that off. Shout out to Milwaukee, eh? These things are like awesome. They last forever too. And they charge up real quick. I absolutely love it. I use and abuse it all day and it just keeps on going. Alright, that should just come out there. There's a bit of a hook there. Oh, there we go. See, yeah, there's a bit of a hook on it. And yeah, that's that seat belt out. Now we can just grab the new one. Where did I put it? Here it is here. Here's the new one. So now it's just reverse order. Just line that pin up. That goes in there like that. Should stay there, but I'm parked on a bit of a hill, so it's probably not going to stay there. Oh well. Get this bit. I think we'll do this first. Oh, it's a bit hard to do this. Let's go put those two 10mm bolts in there. Let me just do that real quick. Alright, so I've just dummy fitted it all up there. So now I can just get into these 10mm. Oh, not loosen, need to tighten it. Idiot Chris. these tight. This one down here. Oh, just make sure this is going to work. Gotta make sure it will work. So these have to be in the correct position. And I'm just going to bang that up. It's a bit of a two-hand job, so you can get it. Alright, so that's all tight there. That one's tight up there. And you make sure it does operate as accordingly how it should, which this one does. And she locks, doing everything it should. So don't put that bottom bolt in yet down there, because you still got to put this cover back on. So put the cover on, make sure your clips are in, which, yeah, all my clips still are in. Get in there. Or it's a bit tricky, or it's going to be a two-hand job. You got to sort of line it all up properly. I'm just going to have to put these down again. Just hold on 1 second, I'll smash this back on. So the easy way to do it is pull these right up there, so when you go to put them back on, they just slip into spot. It goes in real easy. And then you've got to put your bottom bolt in there, and that goes through the other bit that was inside. And put your cover back on. Make sure it all works. Where's my other cover? Uh-oh. Where's my cover? It's gone forever. I've lost it. Oh. Excuse me for technical difficulties. We'll find it. It's somewhere. Error. Open this door up so you can put this rubber in. Oh. Sorry, I'm parked on a hill. Whoop. Whoop. And she's back together. Better make sure it clips in. Beautiful. Alright. So yeah, I'll just put that little finishing touch on. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, thanks guys. That's just a quick little video I thought I'd do to get another bit of content happening. That's about it. Hopefully I'll take this out for a 4-wheel drive sometime when I find some friends to go with, and we'll go up the beach or something and do something fun. And yeah, be good to make a bit more content. Just no one else to really chill with but myself, but that's alright. I'll just keep doing whatever I do. But yeah, make sure you like this video, subscribe for more, and yeah, I'll keep posting some more content, and we'll get back into the Skyline when the right time comes. Alright, cheers guys, see you later.